Hello and welcome to another episode of Microwave Me, the low-budget microwave show where I microwave the same crap anyone else can. This show, as always, is filmed in low definition with my state-of-the-art digital camcorder. And today we're obviously doing a banana. And here's Jennie. My reason for doing the show, and my reason for waking up every morning. The love of my life, Jennie the microwave. And I'm going to stick my banana inside of her, something that should be very enjoyable for the both of us. Now I'm going to turn off the lights for dramatic effect. Okay, how long should I put the banana in for? And I'll go with 1 minute. Okay, and let's examine what we've done. We've heated up a banana. The banana looks relatively unchanged, so if on a cold morning you want to add some bananas to your oatmeal, heat it up in the microwave. Which is why I say this is a good idea.